today we are working in the garden. I have to show you this cool watering system that my dad came up with. Let me show you. Let me see what you're doing here. So drilling a hole.
3/16 of an inch. And it's not going through.
How big was the hole?
3/16 of an inch.
All right.
Okay. Chicken manure in the bottom.
Okay. What's that you're planting there?
Watermelon.
Watermelon?
And it disintegrates the minute you take it out of the container. Fertilizer. The water. And then we make a little furrow right there by the nozzle, or the
What'd you say? Do a furrow there?
around in front of it.
Okay.
So that the plant lines up with the 3/16 inch watering hole.
Lines up with the hole? Okay.
We're going to start off watering every day for, what, 20 minutes?
Yeah.
And then we're going to cut back and do it according to how wet it gets on each.
Do you want me to put some water on it?
'Cause it has 15 watering holes in this PVC pipe, 3/4 inch pipe. And I bought 10-foot lengths. I extended the one across the front and back to 15 feet.
Show you what he's talking about here. See, we've got the PVC pipe and it's hooked into this watering system that goes off automatically.
Right over here where the hose hooks
Yeah.
into
Yeah, right there is where the hose is hooked in.
You get a hose PVC connector. 3/4 inch, 1/2 inch, whatever you want. And this is 3/4 inch. Then you just use some 1/2 inch pipe to do what I've done. Elbows, T's, another elbow at each corner. T's where this one crosses in the middle. It's 15 feet too.
Yeah, so this whole thing is connected to this
One of
outlet,
those
and this will
timers.
turn on automatically, and then the water will just come out where he's drilled the hole. So it's really a good water saving method. So you're not flooding your whole garden, you're just putting the water where the plants are. I'll show you. We've got winter squash, and we've got, that's another winter squash. This is probably another winter squash. Yes, it is. And then these are tomatoes that we've got back here. And then zucchini, winter squash, and we did another zucchini right there. The watermelon, we've got 2 cantaloupe plants right there, and another watermelon, and then this guy is winter squash. Yeah, so we've got that. And then he actually built this last year and it worked really good, but we overloaded the tomatoes. So this year, see, there's the water supply right there. And again, that's hooked down to that timer. We got 3 more in this bed here.
These timers come from Home Depot, and they're a 2-station timer. You can get 1-station timers. 2-station timers are not that much more expensive than 1-station. And you've got to change the AAA batteries every fall. Take them out of it and throw them away. Every spring, put a new set of AAA batteries. It only takes 2. But you don't want to try using the same batteries year after year because it doesn't work.
And you don't want it to be out where it could freeze, go below 32 degrees.
No, it needs to be taken and put in a safe place for winter. When the growing season is over and you're no longer irrigating, you take and undo that and put it in your garage or in your, where it's not going to freeze, because there might be moisture inside the timer.
Very good.
And the instructions were great to set it up. And so all we have to do right now is turn the faucet on.
And we'll also show updates as the plants grow, let you know if they all make it or if my black thumb. Luckily my dad is doing this mainly because I do have a black thumb. I'm okay with outdoor plants, but yeah, my indoor plants usually always die. Okay, let's see. It says that it's got a manual override here, so let's hit that. And it says it'll do both stations. So, oh, this one's going first over here. This one's going first. Oh, turn it down. We've got a water fountain going. Hole. And you can adjust it, the pressure, by just turning the hose up or down.
You gotta turn it out there. Turn the squirt out of here. You gotta give it more.
Well, they're going.
Okay. Not too high.
Gardens are such wonderful projects. They can be as big or as little as you want. Do you plant a garden? What do you plant? Do you have any gardening tips to share? Leave a comment. I'd love to hear all your tips and tricks. That looks so nice. And now let me show you my home version of Mr. Toad's Wild Ride. So that's going to wrap it up for today. We've got the system in and it is running great. So I will keep you updated on how the plants do and how the water system works if it does a good job. So I'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.